Good morning. This is a recording from Monday, May 19th. The Zen story for today is titled The Muddy Road. The rain had not let up for hours. Two monks walked along a muddy road, their robes damp and heavy with water. As they rounded a bend, they saw a young woman standing at the edge of a deep puddle. Her silk kimono was spotless, but her path was blocked. She turned to them and bowed. "Excuse me, would one of you be willing to carry me across?" The younger monk stiffened. "Certainly not. Our vows forbid us from touching women." Without a word, the older monk stepped forward, lifted the woman into his arms, and carried her across. He set her down gently on the other side. She bowed deeply, thanked him, and continued on her way. The two monks walked on in silence. Minutes passed, then an hour. Finally, the younger monk burst out. "I can't believe you carried that woman. Have you no discipline, no respect for the rules?" The older monk kept walking. "What did I do when we reached the other side?" The younger monk frowned. "You put her down." The older monk nodded. "Exactly. So why are you still carrying her?" The rain had stopped. The path was clearing, but only one of them had moved on. As always, take a comfortable position and take a moment to relax your body, arriving in stillness. Maybe gently close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What burdens are you carrying long after they could have been put down? What burdens are you carrying long after they could have been put down? How does it feel to imagine letting go of something that no longer serves you? How does it feel to imagine letting go of something that no longer serves you? What actually happens when you let go of something that no longer serves you? What actually happens when you let go of something that no longer serves you? And now, as always, bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. As always, I'm putting them and some suggestions for practical moments of Zen into our private circle group. I really encourage you to check it out and try some of the ones that speak to you. Enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.